We are going to make a yerba mocha latte. Mocha blend, but you can also use the choco mint blend. 2 heaping teaspoons into a coffee press. Hot water. I am not letting this water boil. It will make the tea bitter. All right. If you like tea darker, just put more tea in. Also add sweetener to this, and you can also add more cocoa powder. After about 2 minutes, filter out the tea. We're gonna pour the tea into the mug. This is a very sad pour, very sad. I heated up some coconut milk, but you can use almond milk, whatever you have. I'm gonna add that. There we go. Yerba mocha latte. That's really yummy, super yummy.